Prosecutors often rely on the FBI's crime lab to bolster their case. But now evidence examined by the FBI is being called into question, and as CNN's Terry Frieden reports, hundreds of cases may be in jeopardy.
The Justice Department has sent this memo to federal prosecutors nationwide, ordering the review of hundreds of cases in which evidence examined by the FBI Crime Laboratory in its Washington headquarters has been disputed. U.S. attorneys were told to determine whether any evidence questioned by FBI whistleblower Frederick Whitehurst will now have to be turned over to defense attorneys because it could bolster their case. Whitehurst last year claimed the FBI's crime lab had intentionally slanted evidence to favor prosecutors. One top criminal defense lawyer credited the Justice Department with taking action, but questioned handling the entire review as an internal matter.
And their first duty ought to be to make it available to the court and opposing counsel so that in an adversarial context, which is the basic system we have, it could be determined whether or not it had any impact on the case. They shouldn't make the decision. They shouldn't be their own police.
Justice officials insist they will give defendants anything where there is even the slightest doubt it could help them. Officials say the January memo followed a December decision by Deputy Attorney General Jamie Gorelick that the government does have an obligation to defendants in the questioned cases. The review takes place as a panel of outside experts appointed by Justice is in the early stages of its investigation of the FBI lab. Although Whitehurst has many critics inside and outside the FBI, he has refused to waver in his charges about the lab.
I dislike being called a whistleblower. I'm a law enforcement officer, and if I see violations of the law, abuses of authority, corruption, or whatever, I'm required to report those.
Whitehurst's attorney says testimony in the World Trade Center case alone vindicates his claims.
Dr. Whitehurst and others essentially blew the whistle internally. They stood up and put their jobs on the line and demanded that the false testimony be corrected. And that did happen after some very serious struggle.
Now prosecutors will review evidence handled by 20 specific lab employees. Justice officials say the review will involve hundreds, not thousands of cases. Whether or not any cases end up being overturned, prosecutors are in for a lot of extra work. An official who works for one of the U.S. attorneys describes the ordered review of evidence as a daunting task. Terry Frieden, CNN, Washington.
President